Alright, a little update on my solar project, solar power. Hadn't got around to boxing the panels in today. And it's raining now. It's supposed to even get more rain tomorrow, so I got it buttoned up. This is watertight, so I don't have to worry about rain getting in with my wires there. And it's a little bit on the chilly side in South Carolina right now. I heat my house with wood, so it's a little chilly in there. I fired up the wood stove and knocked the chill off. Anyway, just kind of give a little update. Got a few things tidied up. I'm going to go in there and look at that. Okay. My the breakers I was talking about in my earlier videos came in. I'm still not sure about the amperage on the one coming from the solar panels. The panels on the back say a 8 amp breaker, and since I got two in line, I'm pretty sure I should have a 16 amp breaker, which I put a 15, a little on the safe side. I have to do more research on that. So I got that buttoned up. I made up a plug-in. So it's just a regular 110 plug-in on this. So I ran that to my one leg of the breaker box. And I don't have these hooked up yet. I went ahead and put 5 of them in there for right now. I only got one of them wired in. It's not all nice and pretty yet, but I'll get it better. So what I did is this breaker right here was the outlets and lights for my bathroom, which is like a little guest bathroom. I unhooked the wire from it, hooked up another wire, and then I went to this breaker. So that wire there that goes to that bathroom, that's the only way it's powered up, is through the inverter and solar power, through the batteries. So I know it's not, you know, I mean, I still got some stuff to do to make it look pretty, and definitely do not do this if you have no idea about wiring up houses and things like that, because you can either get hurt or burn your house down. So get help. I ain't saying you got to hire a professional, but get a buddy, a friend, or somebody that knows something about this stuff, because and I don't have any kids here or anything, so there's no problem with me leaving this. There's no kids going to, you know, come up and start touching stuff. It's just me here. So, like I say, I got to tidy up some, but basically this, I got at least one circuit, and really what I'm going to do for right now is I'm going to just leave it that way, just play around with it, see how that does. You know, can I see the drain on the batteries and what have you? And it's like cloudy, overcast day. I got nothing coming from the solar panels. But anyway, that those lights you see right there, that's coming off the that breaker. So when the power's out and I go in that bathroom, I'll have lights. So anyway, that's all I got hooked up for now. Well, and this hall light too. If I turn this hall light on, you'll hear the you hear that? That fan in there. It's got different it's a variable speed, or at least 2 or 3 speed. I did not know that until I turned that light on. So I guess that's putting a little bit of a load on it, just more lights. And it's also, that circuit is also my smoke detector in the hallway. It's a 110 smoke detector. So if the power goes out, my smoke detector will still work. You don't have batteries in it, so that's pretty cool too. So anyway, just thought I'd do a little update and show that, you know, I don't know if I was explaining myself well how I was going to run 110 stuff off of the solar panels and batteries. And that's how I was going to do it, through this breaker panel that I bought, breaker box. Like I said, I got as I see what it'll do and what it can't do, I can wire in more things. And even play around with it, you know. Say the power did go out for a while, I may want to, you know, move the wires around and say, well, let me fire up this circuit because I need to run my refrigerator for a little while, or what have you. You know, I don't know. It's just something I need to experiment with and see what it'll do, see what it won't do. But for right now, I got it hooked to that bathroom in there. So, and I think it's next week before we get some nice sunny days. So, we'll just have to see.